Hi everybody, my name is Roman Kornev and this is my first video in 2025, and as you know, the first Friday of the month, of course, the big news is non-farm. But the first week we have holidays. Everybody was on vacation, so the non-farm was postponed to next week, and this week we will have the big non-farm news and we will have a good trade on it. I think everybody had a good rest, accumulated their forces, accumulated liquidity, and we will have a good, bright non-farm with strong movements. At least I hope so. So let's stock up on deposits and open accounts. I am a partner of AMarkets and I can make a deposit bonus especially for you, and I can also provide you with my trading account for free. Robot that trades on the news as well. But right now we will look at the calendar and what values are waiting for us on the new farm. Let's see if you trade on the forex market. Then of course you need to use the economic calendar, and very news, there is a lot of news, but I select the most important ones for you so that you do not waste your time and immediately trade on the most important news. So in order not to miss such news, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. By the link in the description of the video will be a link. And also let's see what we have on Friday. On Friday, January 10th, we'll have the non-farm payrolls news. This is just the number of non-farm payrolls in the United States. And the previous reading, look, was 227,000, and it's projected to change by 150,000. So the number of employed people is decreasing, which means that we can capitalize on this bad news. The most popular currency pair on which we trade non-farms is usually euro-dollar. So if the news is confirmed and the data is worse than predicted, it means that the dollar is likely to decline. And if the dollar goes down, then the euro-dollar will rise 100%. So let's take a look at the charts right now to see how best to trade the euro-dollar in non-farm conditions. So we can see that the euro-dollar is going down right now. And right now, there is a small correction upwards. Let's take a closer look at it. Right now, the price has approached the support line. It was a support line, and now it's a mirror resistance line. By the way, I have a great video about mirror lines. Be sure to follow the link in the description to my YouTube channel and watch this video there. I have concentrated all the double points on mirror lines. This is a powerful strategy that I use myself all the time. And in this case, the price has approached the resistance zone and has already made a correction. Let's take a closer look here. You see, there's already been a move down. This means that most likely this signal has already worked itself out. But further, if the price goes further up, there will be another resistance line here, and it is also a mirror line. Because you see, here before it was a support line, now it will be a resistance line. So if the price reaches it, then we can sell here and make money on the decline. But at the same time, we have the non-farm. As I said earlier, on the fundamental analysis, that is, on the news, we expect the dollar to decline and therefore the euro-dollar to rise. And on the technical analysis that we just looked at, we expect the euro-dollar to decline. So if the news comes out when the price is near the resistance line, it is better not to buy, not to sell, and it is better to refrain from entering the market. It is better to wait until there is a strong movement and then trade on the pullback. Because at this moment, when the price will be near the resistance line, the fundamental analysis will say that the price will grow, but technically it will say that the price will fall. Therefore, it is better not to enter the market at this moment. This way, you will save your money and guess the best moment to enter the market. Well, if the price reaches the resistance line 1.03.430 before the release of the non-farm, then you can use it as a reversal point down. Sell it and make money on the decline. Now, let's take a look at the dollar-Swiss franc currency pair. The currency pair is moving towards the resistance line at 0.92.171. Therefore, I expect a reversal here as well. I put a reversal point. As soon as the price reaches this line, it will be possible to sell here and capitalize on the decline. As for gold, gold is now in this sideways sprawl. So as soon as the price comes to the support line, here I have marked. Let's look at another time frame. As soon as the price reaches the support line, there will be a reversal point to buy, respectively. Here you can buy and make money on the growth. Let me put it a little more precisely, like this. In order not to miss, you can use an alert or alerts, or subscribe to my VIP channel. There I publish such reversal points on which I trade myself and we make money together. But if the price goes up, there will be another reversal point to sell from the resistance line. At the moment, it is still a preliminary price of 27.29. It's a sell reversal point from here. If the price reaches this line, we sell from it and earn on the decline. There is an interesting picture on the New Zealand dollar. After a strong decline, the New Zealand dollar was in a sideways trend for a long time. Then the price went down a little bit. We thought that there would be a strong decline, but there was no strong decline. Just a new sideways trend continued. A sideways movement. By the way, my trading robot works very well in it in buy and sell mode at the same time. I recommend it. If you have not tried it yet, you can write to me in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free for testing. By the way, there is a similar situation on the Australian dollar. You can also run the trading robot in buy and sell mode at the same time. Well, you can also trade manually. There is a support line here. Here I drew it, and also a resistance line. Accordingly, if the price reaches this support line, from here you can buy and make money on growth. If the price reaches the resistance line, you can sell and make money on the decline. And lastly, the euro-pound currency pair is also in a sideways trend. As soon as the price comes to the resistance line, you can sell from it and make money on the decline. These are the reversal points this week. I wish you not to miss the non-farm news. In order not to miss this news, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel 30 minutes before the release of non-farm. I make sure to give everyone a heads up and we make money together. Also, if you find any terms still difficult, unclear, then be sure to come to my course. I have a basic course on trading for beginners from scratch, completely free of charge. If you are a markets client, then I am an AMarkets partner. You open an account, fund your account. I give you access to my course for free. And if you want to further understand, create a trading strategy, I provide personal mentoring. I have a couple of spots available for January. Come to me for training. I will be glad to talk together with traders who want to earn their own living by independent trading and enjoy life. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye-bye.